Hi guys, it's Freebie Friday, so that means it's time for another free KDP product for you to have, upload and sell it wherever the chuff you want. This is going to be for a prayer journal. It's Friday as I'm recording this, so I'm running a bit behind schedule, so this is going to go up without much editing, same as normal, but there might be a few more sniffs. So the book is a prayer journal. You can download it by watching this video. There'll be a code somewhere. The code is just going to be a combination of letters. Because I was dashing, I pressed the wrong button and it came up random. So you can't guess this one. It's 109 pages in length. That's the best value for money, I suppose, when it comes to printing, so you can get more royalties from it. If you charge $6.99 for this, you're going to make just under $2. I think it's $1.89. Which isn't bad for a free book like this. And this is the book you get. It's 6x9 with bleed. So remember that when you upload it, with bleed. You get a title page, which has got a rather nice little passage from the Bible there, and this prayer journal belongs to. And then it's just 2-page repeating. So there's prompts, there's scripture, or verses, each one picked to illustrate the particular topic. So, praying for others, there's one about dreams, and there's a passage there about dreaming, and a place to write your own scripture down there. So that's what you get. A title page, 2 repeating pages, and then it's 109 pages long. I've said the word pages a lot there, but it's important. Pages. So like I say, sell this for $6.99. You get $1.90-ish in royalties. So all you need to do is add a cover to this and bash it up onto KDP, or just sell it as is on Etsy. The thing you've got to think about is what you're targeting, who you're targeting. Niche it down with the cover and also your title. So I've been doing a little bit of work on keyword research, just trying to get myself better at it. And I'm using the tools that I normally use, but I'm a little bit better at interpreting the data it gives you. So for this book, you'd start off with something like prayer journal when you're doing your keyword research. And as you can see, this underneath is Amazon Expander. You can also get one from Titans, which is called, it's that one, the Titans Pro. It clashes with this. Sometimes it runs, sometimes it doesn't, because I've got too many expansions running. And what this does is it expands keyword suggestions using Amazon's own suggestions. So there's just a list of potential keywords. It's more than you would normally see. So you can see there's keywords afterwards. Sometimes it gives you keywords before. But if we just type in prayer journal, now you can see even more. So we've got prayer journal, blank prayer journal, her prayer journal. So there's keywords before. Prayer journal and devotional for women. Prayer journal with prompts for women. We'll just try that. This here is Titans Quick View. It gives you a niche score here, and it gives you a lot of information here. So that's got a niche score of 72, which isn't bad. From what I can garner, the important information is total results, so it's not massively high. It's just over 1,000. There's 4 independently published. There's no exact matches, so no one's using it as a keyword, this phrase as a keyword in the title or subtitle. So that might be something you could exploit. Reviews, BSR, average 189. The low is 407. So there's there's potential for the books to get. There's potential for books in this niche to sell. Average price, you've got plenty of scope in there. The low is 5, the high is $29.99, and the average is $13.46. So pricing at $7 is not going to be a major hardship. And this bit here, again, is quite important. There are books ranking that have 0 reviews. Books ranking on the first page for this keyword with 0 reviews. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just knock. So that's not a bad one to use, maybe. Prayer journal for women. I imagine, so there's 9,000, over 9,000 in this. 52 there. Prayer journal for women with scriptures. So again, you've just got to look around and see what is what's bringing up the good results. And this is another example of prayer journal for men with prompts. So for women with prompts was high, for men with prompts was high. Again, there's no exact match, which I don't know if that's a help or a hindrance, to be honest. But because it's popping up in these search terms, people are searching for it. You can run this through other keyword tools. So here we are in Seller Sprite, and I've just came into the keyword mining tool, prayer journal, and these are some more suggestions for keyword phrases. Gives you a breakdown of all the figures there. And you can click on the books and it'll take you into Amazon and you can see more information. But it looks like targeting these books at men or women with prompts seems to give you a fairly good niche score. So it might be worth putting that in your title or subtitle. And when you find a keyword that you want to use, just scroll down the page and check out the covers. See what's selling well. So if we scroll down here, you want to see this book here. It's got a BSR of 413. It's floral, fancy font. This is for the prayer journal for women, obviously, not for men. Although men like flowers too. This one here, again a BSR of 59,000, so not too bad. If we take a look inside this book, you can see it's more fancy than ours, but that's fine. But it is very simple once you get through all of this explanation of how to use it. It's a quote on one side of the page, other side of the page is reflect. Then on page 3 is again teach me, guide me. These aren't necessarily prompts, and then there's a fourth page, so each scripture, each verse gets 4 pages of explanation on it. And if we look here, we can see that this book is making £38,000 per month, which isn't bad. It looks a bit more fancy, well, it looks quite a bit more fancy than ours, but the interior workings are very similar. It's just a lot of blank space with, I don't want to say a prompt because it's just reflect and things like that. It has got a very nice cover, and obviously its keywords will be chef's kiss. But that's the sort of potential you can get by having a prayer journal aimed at women that's guided. Remember, we're looking inside books not to copy but to get inspiration. That's a little disclaimer there. So, how do you get this book? Click the link below. You'll be confronted with this screen. I've just realised I put 6x6 there. It is 6x9. I'll go in and edit that, so it should be different by the time you get here. Click on I want this, and there you go. That's the price. $7.48, but you're not going to pay that. You are going to get it for absolutely free because you've watched this video. And to get it for free, you put in the password. And that is the password. EA4LLFT. EA4LLFT. Click apply, and that's it. You get it for absolutely free. And it's yours to do with what you want. Sell it on KDP, sell it on Etsy, print it out and fill it in yourself. It's yours, you can do what you like with it. So that's it for today's video. Have fun with this book. Do some good keyword research, niche it down, whack on a fantastic cover, and I hope it brings you millions and millions of sales. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.